Hey everyone, just gonna make this little video about this noise I've been hearing in certain areas. It comes over the speakers in my car even with the radio off. I'm not sure what it's from. It's like some kind of interference. Sometimes it sounds almost like a Morse code or some kind of encoded message. Now, uh, every now and then I'll hear it, but in certain spots it will always happen. And it's about to be coming up on this one spot in a second here. So, just gonna let it play over the speaker so you can hear it. About in the area, right about now. You guys hear that? Sometimes it happens down here in these lights too. I refer to the light that never changes because it takes so long. Okay, well it don't look like it's gonna be doing it down here at the light. But if anyone's ever heard this noise, sometimes comes in over radios or sometimes even TVs. Let me know if you have any idea what it is. Alright, later.